tech enthusiasts, welcome back to the channel. Today we're exploring something truly awesome in the world of technology. If you're like me, you're always on the lookout for innovative gadgets that make our lives easier, safer, and more enjoyable. Well, I've got something really special to share with you today, and it's perfect for all the drivers out there. Say hello to the 70mai M310 Plus 4K Dash Cam, a game-changing device that's about to take your driving experience to the next level. Let's dive right in and talk about one of the most impressive features of this dash cam. It's 4K Ultra HD clarity. With the ability to record every moment in true 4K UHD, you'll be able to capture sharper details than ever before. Whether you're commuting to work, cruising down the highway, or navigating through busy city streets, this dash cam has got you covered. The 140 degrees wide-angle lens expands your field of view, reducing blind spots and giving you more complete and reliable footage when it matters most. Imagine being able to easily read license plates, road signs, and critical details during your daily drives. It's a total peace of mind. But what about driving at night? We've all been there, navigating through dark roads, trying to make out what's ahead of us. That's where the 70mai M310 Plus really shines with its enhanced night vision capabilities. The f1.55 large aperture, WDR, and 3D noise reduction work together to improve brightness and reduce glare from headlights, capturing clearer details on dark roads. Whether you're driving through tunnels, rainy conditions, or just your average nighttime commute, this dash cam helps preserve important footage when visibility is limited. And let me tell you, it's a total confidence booster knowing you've got a reliable witness in the car with you. Now, I know what you're thinking. What about emergencies? What if I'm involved in an accident or need to capture evidence of something unexpected? The 70mai M310 Plus has got you covered there too, with its smart emergency recording feature. The built-in G sensor automatically detects sudden impacts and locks the footage to prevent overwriting. And with smart pre-recording, it locks up to 1 to 3 minutes of footage before the impact, ensuring the full incident is captured, from what happened leading up to the collision to the moment it occurs. This is incredibly valuable evidence that can help you in case of an accident or insurance claim. And let's not forget about the 24H/7 parking mode, which automatically records and locks event clips when impact is detected, helping capture key incidents like scratches, collisions, or hit and runs. But here's the thing. This dash cam isn't just about capturing footage. It's also about convenience and ease of use. With built-in Wi-Fi, you can connect your dash cam to your smartphone via the mobile app, which is compatible with both iOS and Android devices. From there, you can view live footage, download recordings, and share driving moments within seconds, ideal for insurance claims or sharing with family. And with voice control, you can lock videos, take photos, or control audio without distraction, making every trip safer and more convenient. It's amazing how much of a difference this can make in your daily driving routine. In conclusion, the 70mai M310 Plus 4K Dash Cam is an absolute must-have for any driver. With its incredible 4K Ultra HD clarity, enhanced night vision, smart emergency recording, and convenient Wi-Fi app control, it's the perfect combination of safety, reliability, and ease of use. So what are you waiting for? Find the link in the description below to get your hands on this amazing device and take your driving experience to the next level. Trust me, you won't regret it. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next video.